Artoonza.
Hey there, high-flying artists and number explorers. Did you know the number 5 is secretly a helicopter in disguise? Buckle up, because today we're drawing our way into the skies with nothing but a simple 5 and some creative magic.
Wow!
Give us your like. So grab your pencils, your imagination, and get ready to take off on a helicool art adventure. Let's soar together. Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Blue. Let's color together.
So cute.
Pink. Black.
Wow!
Color, color, color. Yellow nail polish. Black glitter nail polish. Shh. Never tell my mom. Give us a big thumbs up. Snowy white. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Shoo, go away. This is so amazing. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color.
Super!
This is better. Smash that like button now. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.